Hello there! Magandang hapon. So, it's 10 to 1 p.m. and meron akong shift ng 2 o'clock. Galing ako sa isang flower shop. Well, hindi flower shop. Doon sa binibilan ko ng kafe. Kasi, ibibigay ko itong orchids doon sa katrabaho ko na taga Cambodia, and she's very nice to me, and she's like the sunshine of the restaurant aside from me. Yung maliit, yung palagi kong kasama, and palagi niya akong tinutulungan, and napakasaya niya, napaka-positive niya. Alam mo yun, nanay siya. So bumili ako ng flowers for her, and wala pa kasi siyang orchids or something to this effect. Kaya ayan, nag-decide ako na bigyan siya kasi mahilig din siya sa flowers. And then kaya ako maaga today is because I need to deposit a money sa boss ko. Yun yung sum total sales kagabi doon sa restaurant, pero 2 days siya. So actually hindi ko trabaho yun ng chef service. Chef service means head waitress. So hindi nga ako yung head waitress, I'm just a normal waitress, and ako yung tinuturuan niya na gumawa ng mga financial things. And kasi meron siyang plan by September. Actually, nakabook na siya ng ticket to go to China for a vacation. Kasi nakakaawa din naman siya dahil wala siyang day off, as in 7 days a week. Nagtatrabaho siya, wala siyang day off. Allergy. Wala siyang day off. And then, naawa ako sa kanya. Kaya sabi ko, ginagawa ko yan not because I want to become a chef service someday or a head waitress someday. Ginagawa ko yan para tulungan siya, and wala naman akong plan na maging ganong posisyon. Grabe yung allergy ko. So nakabook na siya ng ticket, and naturuan niya na ako na hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon, Abrechnung in German. Yung pagkatapos ng restaurant, ikaw na yung magbibilang ng pera, yung mga sales, tapos ilalagay mo sa documents yung mga print na mga achuchuchu, ganyan. So it was a big job for me kasi hindi ko naman ginagawa yan, diba? Pero yun nga, for the love of, ginawa ko yun for her. And now, since last month, tinuruan niya na ako paano mag-deposit ng money. So, hindi naman siya malaking pera. It's just a part of the sales kagabi na dapat ibibigay ko doon sa na dinideposit siya sa bank ng account ng boss namin. Kaya today is my first time na ako yung mag-isa na gagawa nun, and I told my husband about it. So maaga akong umalis ng house, kaya yun. And tonight will be a very busy night kasi marami nag-reserve na customers, guest na 50 reservation siya dahil from Africa. So malaman. So I'm here. Natapos na akong mag-deposit ng money doon sa bank. So, time check, it's 13:37. So I am very early sa aking work kasi 14 pa yung aking trabaho, 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. But I'm almost here, so bababa na rin ako in a little while. Alright, so I am here. Ay, ay, ay. Mainit. Hindi siya malamig, mainit. Pero naka-vest ako. Matagal na tong vest na to, as in 48 years na. I think 2012 pa to. So look. It is Sunday and like what I've said, meron kaming 50 guest reservations from Africa, and yung head waitress namin is so worried dahil nga baka kulang kami as service. Pero I don't think mahirap kasi wala ka mang gagawin kundi maglikpit-likpit lang. Di mo naman sila kukunan ng order or something kasi they will just pay for the eat all you can buffet price. And then, yun na. Bahala na si Batman. So, likpit-likpit na lang ng mga kalat nila. So, it's break time. And she's my labeling. And she cooked this one. She's from Cambodia. And she has this pata with, you know, it's nilagang pata. My God, it's kinauda nilagang pata. And, you just love me so much. Oh my God. So let's eat. Look at that. Oh my God. So beautiful. Ay! Oh my God, look. So there are 50 guests.
I can stay, you can make a picture.
Oh, wow. Huh? Yeah.
If you want to have a close, you can take a picture.
Oh my God. Hey, thank you. Wow. The co-workers.
毎日撮るのあなた。乾杯。
Kampai. Kampai. Kanojo no mai wa Michelle.
よろしくお願いします。
Good morning. Good morning. Alam mo ba na nakalimutan ko tong telepono kagabi dito sa restaurant kasi naiwan ko siya nakasuksok dito sa aking parang something. And now, ngayon ko lang siya nakita and nagmadali akong pumasok kasi I'm not really sure kung saan ko naiwan yung telepono. Crap. Naluloka ako. Pinagalitan ako na sa Pinagalitan ako kasi palagi ako nawawala ng mga bagay-bagay. Lately, palagi nakakalimot. Nagkakaroon na ata ako ng amnesia. Or sign na ito ng katandaan. Dementia ba ito? Hello there. Look at that. And I also got one more. Pito. It's crispy pata, Day. Look. It's crispy pata. It's crispy pata. Ang sarap. I love it. Hello there. Hello there. Remember, nag-complain ako about kung gaano kagulo dito sa doll room. Puppenzimmer means doll room. So, ang daming tambak, ang daming mga bagay-bagay, ang daming mga kung anik-anik na mga kung anik-anik, it's cluttered. No, yung mga aking hoarding addiction. And ngayon, medyo nag-ayos-ayos ako ng very, 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 very light. Hindi ako naglinis, pero nagligpit lang ako kasi yung linis ko na gagawin is tomorrow dahil tomorrow nga yung alis namin papunta ng bee house. So, ayan, I will show you kung ano ang mga ginawa ko, niligpit ko. Can you hear the noise? Ito yung noise na naririnig nyo. And because ito yung garden, and kapag basa at umuulan, syempre nagmo-moist siya. And dito masyadong moist yung atmosphere masyadong humid ang kapaligiran ng kwarto. Kaya this is a anti-humidifier. So, it sucks the water. Ayan o. Can you see? Ayan o. Nakukuha niya yung mga tubig-tubig sa room. Kapag hindi ka naggamit ng anti-humidifier, magkakaroon ng mga molds yung itong buong kwarto and hindi maganda magstay. So, kailangan talaga ng anti-humidifier. When we got this house, nandito na tong humidifier na to, and now I understand kung bakit sila merong ganito. Kasi nga, dito sa room na to, ito yung pinaka nagko-collect ng moist. Kasi originally, cellar to. Originally, this room is a wash room, wash area, laundry area. Kaya lang, nirenovate ng totoong may-ari noon na gawin siya na kwarto. Actually, ginawa nila itong master bedroom. Pero ako, ginawa ko siyang parang hobby room, doll room, where I place my clothes. Ito yung aking cabinets, where I place my clothes, and where I place my collections, yung aking porcelain dolls, and yung mga abubot ko. So, it's basically a kinky room. It's basically a kikay room. So, siguro, ganyan talaga siya. Ganyan talaga siya kagulo. So, I have here my orchids, and they are already old, and napapa-rebloom ko sila. I'm so lucky. Napapa-rebloom ko ang aking mga orchids. And ito yung mga inasikaso ko. So, inayos ko tong mga dolls, pero hindi ko siya nilinis, dahil hindi ko nilinis tong dolls na to. Inano ko lang siya, kumbaga inorganize ko lang kasi depende sa cluster nila kung anong magiging itsura. So these are the expensive dolls I've got, and I've got them in different areas, in different countries. I love them. And these are some of the vintage dolls, and these are also dolls I got in London. So ito yung aking first doll in Switzerland. This one, siya yung aking first doll sa Switzerland. It's a vinyl doll. So, hindi siya porcelain. And then, I want to have a porcelain doll ever since, no? Kasi, alam mo, nung bata ako, hindi ako pwede maglaro ng manika. So, now, I've got this. These are porcelain dolls. Ito bigay ng husband ko. This one, we got this in London. And then, this one, I got this in Switzerland. Actually, it's a second-hand doll. And this one is a vintage doll. Kung makikita mo, hindi siya porcelain. It's fabric, pero para siyang porcelain. So I got that in a flea market. And I have, of course, a Nutcracker and Pinocchio. And itong Nutcracker is, I think this was a gift from my husband. And Pinocchio, I got this in Italy, in Tuscany, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So, ito, I got this in a, parang, ayun nga, I got this in a thrift shop, and this one as well, the pair, I got them in a thrift shop. Ito, I got this in a Filipino store, and this one, I got this from my mother-in-law. This one is a souvenir doll from when we went to Marbella in Spain. And then this one is a souvenir doll when we went to Copacabana in Brazil. And then that's the old doll that is from my mother-in-law. And this one, I got this in a thrift shop. And that one, I got it, I don't remember if this was given to me by my husband or I got it in a thrift shop. So, inayos-ayos ko lang siya. Pero hindi ko siya nilinis. Hindi ko naman siya nilinis. Saka ko na lang siya nilinisin. So, mas maganda lang na maayos siya. Kasi, alam mo yun, kasi nga nilalaro ko siya minsan. Kaya kapag binalik ko, tinatampak-tampak ko. So, nagulo siya ng bonggang-bongga. So, ayan. Itong ano ko, suitcase, old suitcase, puno yan ng mga stuffed toys. And I still need to fix all my hats. I have beautiful hat collections from different countries. And hey, and ayan ang aking teddy bears. Ito bigay ng sister-in-law ko. Ito bigay ng sister-in-law ko. Iisa lang ang nagbigay niyan. And then ito bigay ng husband ko when I was in the hospital. And then these are my sisters and my mother when they came here to Switzerland to visit me. So, nagpalit din ako ng bed sheet. And ito yung ibang mga dolls. Itong doll na to, I got it in London. And then this one, bigay ng Filipina. And then this one, I ordered in, I think I got this in online shop. It's a German porcelain doll factory. And then this one, I forgot where this doll came from. I think bigay din siya ng Filipina. And then this one, these are vinyl dolls given to me by a friend in the States. And these are my mermaid Barbie dolls. And this is one of my antique dolls. And they have porcelain dolls. These are my collection Barbie dolls. And yan, collection Barbie dolls. And this is one of my favorite doll. And this one is a gift from my husband. This one is a beautiful doll. Pero nasira siya. Pinaliguan ko pagkatapos nasira yung buhok niya. So, wala na, sira na siya. Pero, sira yung buhok niya. Pero, maganda naman siya. Kompleto yung eyelashes niya, ganyan. So, whenever may bisita ditong bata, hindi kasi sila pwedeng pumasok dito kasi nga, baka umiyak sila, gusto nila nang maglaro, and ayokong laruin nila itong mga to, diba? So, yun yung pinapalaro ko. I also have here palayok. I got this in Tagaytay. And this one I got in Germany. Parang isang dollar shop. Parang ganon. Nasa rocking chair siya. Hey. And then, ayan yung mga hats ko pa, mga umbrellas, mga caps. Nagamit ko normally sa TikTok. So, ayan yun. And then, ayan din, mga hats. And then I have my toe shoes over there. Some of the things inside the boxes. And ito yung aking vanity mirror. You know, I love having a vanity mirror kasi yung mama ko, mahilig talaga siya sa vanity mirror. So, me, growing up, after niyang gamitin yung vanity mirror niya para papasok siya sa office, umuupo ako doon, tapos nag-i-imagine ako na ako siya. Parang ganun. So, I love vanity mirrors. Pero, lahat ng mga furnitures na nakikita nyo dito are just IKEA. Kasi, ano nga siya eh, para siyang toy room, diba? Doll room. So, everything na nakikita nyo dito, parang laruan lang. And finally, this is one of my favorite doll. It's a porcelain doll. And she really looks so Asian. I got this in a thrift shop. And I'm so in love with this baby girl. I think she has a real hair. And she's a gypsy doll. And complete with everything. And even the sleepers. Tingnan nyo, parang gypsy. Luma-luma. And I love her so much. So, ayan, niligpit ko to. Pero hindi ako naglinis. Niligpit ko lang siya, girl. Ay, umulan. Niligpit ko lang yan. Ito yung aking latest purchase na matagal ko na siyang inaambisyon. I posted a picture of this in my Instagram, Sweet Mrs. B. It's a pram, vintage pram. As you can see, it's really a vintage. And in it is my favorite vintage doll. She's my favorite vintage doll. And beside it is my Louis Philippe armchair na they really match together. So, matagal ko na talaga siyang gusto. Kaya lang, dahil binabawalan ako ng asawa ko kasi sabi niya, it's too much. It's too much things in this doll room. Pero, when I saw the prom, hindi na ako talaga napigilan and talagang gustong-gusto ko siya. So, binili ko siya. Yan. And of course, one thing I am so in love with this pram is a wooden handle, and it's really functional. And of course, the wicker back basket and the lace, and of course this one. So lace siya. So I really love it.